Hi everyone, today we are going to check out Speedrid V1 electric scooter. This scooter uses 250 watts motor on the rear wheel. It can reach max speed of 18 miles per hour and go up to 11 miles per charge. It features a unique height adjustable handlebar design. We can easily adjust the height of the handlebar between 100cm and 200cm. The overall physical size is very lightweight and compact. I can hold it with one hand and move around, including walking on stairs. Some assembly is required after opening the box. We will have to install the left and right handles, and it should take no more than 5 minutes. It's very nice that Speedrid has included extra parts and screws tools in the package. After installing the handles, it's best to fully charge the scooter before first use. A universal wall charger is included, and it will take about 3.5 hours to fully charge the scooter. The light-on charger will show red when it's charging and turn to green when it's fully charged. There is a nice LCD screen near the throttle. It will display useful information such as current gear, speed, total distance, trip distance, and time. There are 3 gears available for speed control, and we can use the up and down button to change gears. Holding the down button will turn on the headlight. The unfolding mechanism is similar to other scooters on market. Basically, we just have to push down the switch either by hand or by foot, and then raise the handlebar. There is a nice safety light on the rear fender. Next, I will ride the scooter in different ways so we can take a look of how it performs. Both the front and rear wheel use 6-inch rubber tires. Solid tires usually require much less maintenance compared to air-filled tires because they won't go flat. However, it also means the ride will get bumpier when the road condition isn't perfect. The good thing is that Speedrid put a shock absorber near the front wheel to improve the riding experience. Overall, I would say the scooter is responsive. The acceleration is there and it's easy to make turns. One thing I noticed is that this scooter I can start acceleration right away even when it's fully stopped. Other scooters I have tried usually require a minimum speed before the motor will start acceleration. This means I don't have to kickstart the scooter using my foot. I can just hold down the throttle to start from stop. I have also tried the scooter on small hills. It's able to climb hills which are less than 15 degrees. However, I did notice the speed become much slower when it's going uphill. To fold the scooter after use, we just hold down the switch either by hand or by foot. This scooter is only 33.5 inch in length when folded. It's probably the most compact scooter I have seen, and it should have no problem fitting most cars' trunk. At the end, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe my channel.